Hello, Brian. This is Mrs. Lang. This is a screencast to help you complete your work for the final project in Home and Careers. I'm going to make a little movie to demonstrate how to do the budget, but then I'm going to delete all of the numbers I put as examples so that you can make your own budget and do your work. Here is your budget spreadsheet. The categories are already programmed here, and there are sums already programmed here to help you check your work. And then there are sums at the bottom already programmed to total. Over here is an electronic copy of Clayton, your piglet. You have a paper copy in your folder, but the electronic copy is also available in the Google Classroom. So your job is to budget until Clayton reaches his goal. And Clayton's goal is the MP3 player. And I know that because when I read the text, he dreams of getting his own MP3 player one day, which costs $100. So you're going to make a budget that takes Clayton to $100 in that category, while also keeping in mind that Clayton is a piglet who has other things he likes to spend money on, and that he should become more of a biz kid by saving up money for a rainy day in the just in case category. You can only budget dollars that Clayton earns, so let's look at his income. It's in this box down here where my cursor is at the bottom of Clayton's profile. He gets $5 a year in birthday money from his grandparents, and he also gets a weekly allowance of $10. The text does not say exactly when his birthday is. You can decide that during the course of the budget, and that will help you let Clayton reach his goal. But let's begin with the now current savings. Clayton has no current savings. He's been spending everything he makes. So in the to be budgeted box next to now, I'm going to put $0. And then, of course, I have to give every dollar a job, but there's no dollars. So we're going to put 0 all the way across in this budget. And this total here is going to be the sum of all of the things that you gave money to. And everything looks like a 0, but let's see what happens during week 1 when Clayton gets allowance. He gets $10. And now we're going to give all those dollars a job. To get Clayton to his goal a little faster, you might want to put at least half of those dollars toward his goal. So I'm going to put $5 to start. And now I have $5 left. Do you see over here that this turned into a 5? And that helps me realize how much is left. When this gets to 10, I have no more money to budget during week 1. I'm going to have Clayton put $0 in snacks, and he's going to bring a snack from home. We don't know how much basketball camp costs, but let's put like $1 in there so he can start to think about that goal. Toys, he has a lot of toys, so this week I think I'll put 0 there. And I can see that there's $6 budgeted, and I've budgeted $10. I have $10 to budget, so I'm going to put 4 in the just in case category because that's a safety net. During week 2, you can pay Clayton again, $10. And I see at the bottom of the budget that the MP3 player, I only have $5 right now. I need to get $100, so I'm $95 away from the goal, which is a lot. So I think this week I'm going to be more aggressive toward the goal. I'm going to put $8 there. And snacks, again, I'm going to have him bring something from home. Basketball camp, maybe I'll put those $2 there. No toys this week, Clayton, and no safety net this week either. So now I can see that over here in week 2, I have budgeted all my dollars from Clayton's allowance. And if I go to the bottom, I am $13 toward the goal of the MP3 player. And again, I'm going to keep budgeting until I get to 100. Now, at some point in the budget, Brian, you can decide that Clayton has a birthday, and that will be fun to budget because he'll get $75 plus his allowance, which will turn into $85. So if he had his birthday in week 3, you would have $85 to budget, and you could fill these categories up quite a bit. So I'm going to stop budgeting now. Again, your goal is to keep budgeting Clayton until he has at least $100 in his MP3 player goal. You do not have to use all of these weeks. This budget goes up to week 14, but if you get to the goal sooner, you can stop budgeting because Clayton will have reached his goal. And keep checking these numbers here on the side because that will tell you if you have given every dollar a job from the to be budgeted. Okay? If there are any questions about how to Do this assignment after you see this video. Your mom can email me and I'll be checking throughout the weekend. Okay? Thanks. Bye.